welcome back to my channel. So today I've been working on a new project in Unreal 4, and it's a game I've been creating. It's called Echo Shot, and I guess best way to show what I have so far is to just go ahead and like play it and demo it. I have a little scene right here set up just for like a basic demonstration of what I have. If I go ahead and hit play, when you left click, it shoots bullets that are bouncing. And now the whole premises of this game is you're a character and you're trying to escape this facility thingy. And there's like enemies, right? And well, your bullets bounce and stuff. So along with the challenge of escaping and killing all the enemies, your bullets also can kill you if you walk into them while they're bouncing. But at the same time, enemy bullets bounce as well. So you want to kill the enemies as fast as possible so they don't shoot a lot of bullets, therefore making it harder for you. And if I walk into the bullet, it takes me back to the main menu. It's just a basic main menu, nothing special. I just did a little bit of art for it. And basically, that's the whole premise of the game. I've only been working on it for a couple of hours, I would say. And I just have a little like basic scene just to get the bullet bounce to work. And also I have a cool gun model. If I open up Blender real quick, it's a low poly gun I made in about 5 or 10 minutes. It doesn't have a trigger because it personally just doesn't need one because of how small the gun is. So I just didn't even bother with the trigger. And there's a lot more that I'm going to add to it, but I don't want to reveal it right now because that's too revealing for the project. But as time comes along, I'll explain what those new items are and everything I'll be adding. And each week I'll be working on it and making more and more videos about it. But as of right now, that's basically it. The bullets just bounce, you left click to shoot them, and also the geometry on them, like if I shoot it at an angle, like if I get back here and I shoot it at an angle, as soon as it hits the wall, it starts bouncing straight again. So it's not like full like functional. So that's about it for the vlog, devlog, I guess. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and I'll upload a video next week on the newer progress. That's about it. See ya.